Hey there and welcome. If you've ever printed a design only to find those frustrating white edges around your work, today's video is going to be a game changer. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to add print bleed in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your artwork so it looks clean, polished, and professional once it's printed. No more surprise white borders. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to head over to Canva. You can use either the desktop site or the app, whichever you prefer, but for the smoothest experience, I recommend using a computer browser. Once you're in Canva, look for the big Create a Design button, usually on the top right. Give that a click and you'll be able to choose from preset sizes or enter a custom size. For this demo, I want you to select Custom Size. Now, type in your dimensions, set the width to 100 pixels and the height to 50 pixels. You can use inches, centimeters, or millimeters too, depending on what your print project requires. Don't worry if you're just practicing, the important part is learning the workflow. Hit the purple Create New Design button and Canva will open up your fresh, blank canvas. Now that we have our canvas, it's time to make the boundaries clear, literally. Choose a background with a border, something that makes it obvious where your design starts and stops. Borders are especially useful when setting up print pieces like flyers or business cards to see exactly what might get trimmed off at the edges. Adding a border helps you keep important details away from the cut line, which can save you frustration later. Here comes the key step, and this part is crucial for print success. Go up to the top left of your screen, click on File, and then find Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside these settings, look for an option called Show Print Bleed. It might just be a little checkbox, but this feature does a lot. Go ahead and tick that box. You'll notice something new appear on your canvas now, another border, usually a faint line around the edges of your design. Think of this as your safety buffer. The area between the canvas edge and that new line is the bleed. If you extend your background color or images right out past this line, you're making sure that when your design goes to print and gets trimmed, you won't be left with unwanted white strips along the edges. It's kind of like giving yourself a margin for error. Printers can shift just a hair during the trimming process, so adding bleed ensures full coverage. Let's pause here for just a second. If you don't see the line right away, don't worry, sometimes you need to zoom in or out or maybe toggle the option again. It's all part of getting familiar with Canva's tools. To sum it up, the primary purpose of adding bleed is to prevent any unprinted white edges from appearing on your final product. That's why it's important to both turn on the bleed and extend your design elements all the way through that bleed area. This small step can make a big difference in the professional finish of anything you print. And that's really all there is to it. Now you've set up your print bleed in Canva and you're ready to design with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below. I check them and I'm happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.